Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in sunny Florida. I'm going to be doing a painting. I'm going to be doing a minimalistic kind of pearly, swipey, pory kind of painting. Very minimalistic, very subtle color down the middle, and negative space on the sides. I've gone ahead and paint this canvas. This is an edge 6x30, and I've gone ahead and painted this right here with golden fluids in the turquoise. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it off to kind of protect it before I put my flood coat color down. And then my swiping colors. Let's talk about those swiping colors. Right here in this cup, we have golden fluids in the green gold. Yummy, yummy goodness. Right here, we have DecoArt satin enamel in the pure white, just for funsies to see what it does. Yummy color right here, DecoArt liquid acrylics in the phthalo turquoise light, Fluid Art Co. It's where I get my tri-art paints, my piggies, and lots of other wonderful, wonderful things. Once again, the golden fluids in the turquoise. And then we have the golden fluids of the phthalo green blue shade. So we're getting our blues and greens on, guys, which is appeals to most people. Pouring medium, yes. Oh, and our flood coat right here is, gosh, what is this? This is Creative Inspirations in the Pearlescence mixed just a smidgen thinner than this. It's just a slick surface for my other paints to travel across. Pouring medium today is Strained American Floetrol and a healthy squirt of Golden GAC 800, and I don't have the bottle. Everything also got a big old squirt of Liquitex pouring medium and then water, mostly in the base coat. The Pearlescence by Creative Inspirations is very, very thick, and the tri-art phthalo turquoise light was a little bit thick too. So everything got a smidgen of water. The Pearlescence got a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this area off. I'm not going to worry about my sides because I can always repaint them when I'm done. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of swiping, guys. Hang out if you got the time. Let's get busy.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
If you're game, I am willing.